Good morning, everyone. My name is Chukunonso Henry, and the title of my presentation is XAI from audio descriptions to audio explanations for individuals who are blind and are partially sighted. With me on this project includes Joema, Peter, and Mahadio, and we are from the Trustworthy AI Lab, Ontario Tech University. This project is also in conjunction with Canada National Institute of the Blind. All right. Statement of problem. Now, the challenge with this area is that we observed that explainable artificial intelligence has few implementations or few or no implementations for the accessibility and disability perspectives. And the proposed solution here is to move from AI audio descriptions to AI audio explanations. And the specific activity here is to adopt XAI technologies for AI audio explanations. Yeah. So this is a standard machine learning cycle. Here it starts with data collection, then to feature engineering, model training, model evaluation, optimization and tuning, then deployment. After deployment, the analysts on this project will now be involved in monitoring and maintenance of the model. Then the background of XAI. Basically, traditional artificial intelligence is called the black box, while the explainable AI is called the white box. For the XAI, there is it includes an explainable model to explain the AI system, right? The model provides explanation on how the model made its decisions. Then here, explainability also means bridging the gap between the algorithm and the human interpretation of the decision-making process. So on the right-hand side is the diagram explaining the two processes. So for the methodology for the search, we searched for XAI implementations that included accessibility and disability, right? And the sources we searched include Scopus, Web of Science, IEEE Digital Library, Google Scholar, EI Compendex, ACM Digital Library. And the results include, first of all, we found the reflections or case studies on trust, inclusion, and transparency. There are 4 papers. Then the second is that we found papers on video accessibility or audio description systems. So at the time of this research, we found only 3. Then we found papers on audio description. Then we also found papers on video accessibility or audio description system for individuals who are blind and have low vision. And the name of the system is called the Narration Bot plus Infobot system. Some of these results were evident in papers like Stanger 2023, Ehon 2022, and Body 2021. And the technologies identified, XAI technologies or concepts identified include the attention mechanism, minimum viable description, image captioning, visual questioning and answering. So here are several scenes of the Narration Bot plus Infobot system. There are a total of 9 scenes, and we observed how the system was trying to caption whatever that is going on this in the video. Yeah. So much later, we tried to match these technologies with the XAI taxonomies, and one of the prominent classifications we used was from Ali et al. Right? Then the system, the audio description system, which is called the Narration Bot plus Infobot system, has several functions that aided, that made it possible for the video to do captioning, to do so. Some of the functions include scene segmentation, object detection, keyframe selection, image caption generation, text summarization, test on screen, and play test on play text to speech. And from this, one can, one can come to the conclusion that VQA has several advantages. Recall that VQA here means visual questioning and answering. So advantages include giving access to visual information in a non-visual manner, obtaining verbal answers, which are audio descriptions, then communicating the data or information or message contained in the images or the video, right? So then, like we said, our proposed solution here is transition from AI audio descriptions to AI audio explanations. That means there's also need to search for audio explanation technologies. And we found a paper by Ackman and Schuler in 2024 containing several audio explanation methods. So these are the methods, the total of 6, and you can click on the link below to read more if you want. Now but note that these implementations did not also consider accessibility or the disability community. Yeah. So in the future, we hope to apply audio XAI methods in the context of accessibility and disability, and of course, learn lessons from the related papers, right? Then we also conduct design sessions with individuals who have sight loss issues or that are partially sighted. Now, but if we notice that the audio explanations are not so helpful for the ones that are totally blind, we intend to also implement the human in the loop approach, where we have describers, human describers that explain or describe whatever that is happening in the scenes, in the images, or in the videos. And finally, we would evaluate the usability and accessibility using assessment methods in Ali et al. We would have to mention here that Ali et al. Included several types of accessibility assessment methods that can be used to check the usability of design AI systems. Conclusion. So we hope that this would be of help to people with various forms of visual disabilities. Thank you. So for the questions, I would put my email in the chat, and if you have any questions, you can send it to me, and I'll answer all of them. So these are the references. Anyone can go through them and read more of what each of those technologies or concepts entail. Thank you very much. I'll be expecting your questions.